Are you trying to browse the internet and finding yourself stuck with a Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue? Don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot this problem. First, let's check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Make sure you are within range of your router and that the signal is strong. Next, try restarting your Android device. Power cycling can refresh connections and resolve many connectivity issues. If restarting didn't work, go ahead and forget the Wi-Fi network. Then reconnect by entering your password again to clear any previous settings. Make sure your device is up to date. Sometimes, software updates can fix bugs affecting your Wi-Fi connection. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. This will restore default configurations and may solve persistent problems. Let's check if there's an issue with your internet speed. Running a speed test can help identify if it's really the network at fault. Don't forget to check your router. Restart it to ensure it's functioning properly. Sometimes, the issue is with the router itself. Another quick fix is to toggle airplane mode on and off. This can refresh your device's network connections. And there you have it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue. Thanks for watching.